Exercise 5.1, question number 4, fifth part. Is the following are in AP? Then find the common difference D and write the three more terms. Fifth part, that is 3, 3 plus square root of 2, 3 plus 2 square root of 2, 3 plus 3 square root of 2. In this case, first term is T1, that is 3, T2, that is 3 plus square root of 2, T3, that is 3 plus 2 square root of 2, T4, that is 3 plus 3 square root of 2. Now T2 minus T1, T2 हमारे पास क्या है 3 plus square root of 2 minus T1, that is 3. We have 3 plus square root of 2 minus 3. Cancellation 3 with 3, we have square root of 2. Again we have T3 minus T2, T3, that is 3 plus 2 square root of 2 minus T2, that is 3 plus square root of 2. We have 3 plus 2 square root of 2 minus 3 minus square root of 2. Cancellation 3 with negative 3. We have 2 square root of 2 minus 1 square root of 2. We have square root of 2. Now T4 minus T3, T4, that is 3 plus 3 square root of 2 minus T3, that is 3 plus 2 square root of 2. Now we have 3 plus 3 square root of 2 minus 3 minus 2 square root of 2. Cancellation 3 with 3, we have 3 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2, that is equal to square root of 2. T2 minus T1, that is equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 equal to square root of 2. In this case, common difference D equal to square root of 2. Now T5 we have T5 equal to A plus n minus 1 D, A plus n 5 minus 1 D, A plus 4 D. So value of that is 3, 4. Difference, that is square root of 2. 3 plus 4 square root of 2. Now we will find the T6, 6th term. Apply the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D, A plus 6 minus 1 D. We have A plus 5 D. The value of that is 3 plus 5. Difference, that is square root of 2. We have 3 plus 5 square root of 2. Now we will find the 7th term. Apply the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. The value of that is 3. The value of n, that is 7 minus 1. Difference is 2, square root of 2. 3 plus 6 square root of 2. It is the solution of the 5th part. Now 6th part, that is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222 and 0.4 times 2 and so on. Now solution this question. In this case T1 equal to 0.2, T2 equal to 0.22, T3 equal to 0.222, T4 that is equal to 0.2222. Now T2 minus T1, T2 के हमारे पास 0.22, 2 टाइम 2, T2 minus T1 0.2, T3 minus T2, T3 that is 0.222 minus T2 that is 0.22, we have 0.002, T4 minus T3, T4 that is 0.4 times 2 minus T3 that is 0.222, 0.2222 minus 0.222, we have 0.0002. तो T2 माइनस T1 कितना है हमारे पास, ये है 0.02, T3 माइनस T2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0.002 and T4 minus T3 that is equal to 0.0002. Thus T2 minus T1 not equal to T3 minus T2 not equal to T4 minus T3. So given terms do not form an AP. So given terms do not form the AP.